Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the quickest way to find out or to check how many coins you have on TikTok. So in here, if you are doing some TikTok live and then you get some TikTok balance or coins, and I'm going to show you how you can check the balance. First, you can just open your TikTok and then just head to your profile, and then just go to this three lines icon at the top right corner. Go to your balance. So this is the options. Click on balance. So when you click on that, TikTok will show you how many coins you have on TikTok here. So as you guys can see here, I got 0 coins currently. And if you want to get coins, you can just click on this button and you can recharge or you can top up your coins in here. Just select the amount that you want, and after that click on recharge. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.